Hello everyone and welcome you all to another tutorial on Adobe Photoshop. So this is the chapter 8 of this whole tutorial where I'll be teaching you guys about how we can copy one image to another. Like I do have a particular image and in that image I want to copy another image. Suppose I want to merge both the image and put some realistic effects on that. I will show you guys how we can do that. And I'll also show you guys how we can create so many layers. And after creating so many layers, how we can crop a particular image inside our text. Like inside our text, you guys will be able to view the image what we have on the background. And I'll be showing you guys at last about one of the uh, great effect like kind of a glitch effect which we can use in so many images, especially if we are trying to use any kind of digital image. We can do that. Here I have shown you guys in a simple image, not in a digital image, but that will be useful if you guys use in a digital image. So guys, let's get started with this particular class. Now we'll learn copying from one image to another. So here I do have the home page for my Photoshop, and from here what I'll be doing is I'll be opening up an image. Okay, so from here I do have a image of this cup. So here I will open this one first, and yes, I do have this image here. And now what I'll be doing is I do have here a tool, okay, called the marquee tool. Okay, so here this is the rectangle marquee tool. And now what I'm going to do is I'll be selecting a particular place where I want to use this marquee tool. Okay, so here what I can do is I will be just selecting here. Okay, I want till this much and I don't want more. Okay, and now I do have this, and still here in this marquee tool, what I can do is let me come here. Okay, I will just come here and I can just paste it, or like I can just copy it, this marquee. Okay, so I'll come here on the edit option and I'll click here copy. So this particular thing is copied, so I want to paste it to a new page. Okay, so from here I will go to the Illustrator, so I'll come to the postcard option, I'll click on create, and what I'll be doing is I'll come here in the edit option and I'll just paste it. So here you can see it's being pasted, but now what we have to do is we need to like transform it. So here I will come to the edit option and I'll go to the free transform, just zoom out a little bit here, and I will try to fit in the image properly here. Okay, now I do have this. Let's just zoom in again and click on enter here. Okay, yes, I do have my this here. Okay, so let's come to this. So I have just already transformed this here. And now I will take another image. So here I told you guys that I'll be showing you how I can copy one particular image and put it in this image. So I'll be taking another file from here. So I'll go to file, open, and here you can see I do have another cup option here. So here it like I do have another marquee, like another picture here, or the image, or a new file. So again I'll come to this marquee tool, but instead of choosing the rectangular marquee tool, I'll be choosing the elliptical marquee tool, which is like a circle. So how we can actually select a circle uniformly is by just selecting or clicking on shift. And yes, I'll be selecting this one, this particular black color, and come here to the edit option again and copy. Okay, so I copied this one and I will come here to this particular image. And what I'm going to do is I'll come here on the edit option again and I'll paste it. So now you can see this dark part here. It's now in my this image. So what I'm going to do here is I will just try to fit in on top of this cup of coffee. Okay. So in that case, what I'll do is as my like I do have my layer 2 selected. So now I will come here again on my edit option and I will choose the free transform option and I can decrease the size from here accordingly. Okay. So if I want to transform it like with particularly to the size of my cup, I can do that. Okay. So here you can see I do have this one. And here also I do have this. And let's see how it actually looks. Yeah, it looks quite okay. Now, as you can see, I have just made this cup of coffee disappear. Now it looks like a cup of chocolate. Okay, so the same way I can do to this cup as well. So here I will be selecting a different image like a cup of vanilla. Okay, so here I'll be choosing another image. And yes, again, I'll go to this file. And from the file, I'll just open up this tab. And here you can see I do have another image. So I'll open that particular image down. So here you can see a cup or like a cup of vanilla ice cream or whatever it is. Okay. But I'll be selecting this particular part and will be pasting it on my cup of coffee. Okay. So here again, choosing the marquee tool, shift is being pressed down, and here I will be selecting this. And okay, this part I have selected. And now I will come here on the edit option again and copy, and go back to this image here. And now I will paste it. Okay, so I will paste this one. And now with my free transform, as I have already selected layer 3, free transform, and now I will just change the content here. Okay, I need to actually make this a little better, or it kind of looks not bad. Just to show you guys what all we have here, like what all we can do here in this particular application. Okay, just to give you guys an idea about all that. So here I do have, so here you can see now it's a cup of vanilla and it's a cup of chocolate where it was just 2 cup of coffee. So I hope you guys have understood how we can actually crop down or how we can copy one image to another and just paste it accordingly. So I have showed you guys in a cup of coffee, but you can try it in many other objects. Okay,